To create or update WordPress posts, pages, and users from Google Sheets, first create a new Google Sheet. Change the name of the Google Sheet and its worksheet. Then share the sheet with your Google Service account email address. Go to your WordPress site on this plugin settings page and copy the service account email address. Now paste the service account email address and share the sheet with your service account. Now come to your WordPress site and this plugin. Create a new integration. Give the integration a name. Select the event source you wish to create new data or update data. Now select the Google Sheet that you created. Please remember to put the post ID, page ID, or user ID at the beginning of the integration. Well done. You have created new integration. Now look at the Google Sheet column to data relation. Now please disable the integration and enable the remote update. Now click the marked icon and go to the remote update help page. Scroll down on the remote update help page and you will see the app script code. Copy the code as is. Don't miss anything. If possible, read detailed remote update guidelines. Now go to your sheet and open the app script console and paste the copy code there. Before pasting the code, remove any existing code. Now click on the Run button. A permission window will open. Give your script permission to run so that it can update the site. Come back to your sheet. After a few seconds you will see a new menu will appear. Now insert the data in the row according to the column relation. Attention! Look closely, we have inserted the data in the related column row except for the ID fields, because we want to create a new post. If you empty the ID fields, this plugin will create a new post, page, or user. If you put ID, it will update the associated ID, post, page, or user data. Now click the Update Site and Integration Name menu buttons to create a new user. A new post is created. Now add the ID to the sheet data and edit the content and run the update. You will see our newly created post is updated.